save resources and increase quality at the same time? We live in a time in which it is important to handle resources responsibly. This means to avoid waste whenever possible or even prevent from being produced in the first place. This is especially true in the field of renewable energy, as environmental relief is the order of the day. For us, this means that we must constantly drive forward the improvement process in production. In today's example, we would like to explain how small changes can be made to protect our environment and not even large investments has to be made. We want to demonstrate how this goal can be achieved with relatively little modifications, which not only protects our environment but also pays for itself after a short time in terms of savings. In modern rotor blade production, technical adhesives are used for the manufacture of glass fiber composites, which are processed with the dosing system such as the proven Polymix machine series. The most common mixing process is the static mixing process. The absence of motors, seals and axles reduces the maintenance effort to a minimum and increases the production safety enormously. This method is used to mix adhesives based on epoxy, polyurethane, polyester or acrylic resins. The mixing tube must be cleaned after each bonding, otherwise the adhesive will react and cure. In the standard process, a component is passed through the mixer until it has the same color as the selected component. This change in color indicates whether the mixer has been sufficiently flushed. Before the next bonding, a similar amount must be run through the mixer until a consistent color tone is achieved. This material cannot be used for production processes and must be disposed. Therefore, 5.6 kg of waste is left over with each bonding. In order to minimize this amount of waste significantly, we have developed a process in which flushing the mixer is virtually eliminated. After bonding, the mixer is removed from the machine using quick-release clamps. The pipe band used to connect the material hose is connected at this point. Now, a small amount of material is pumped through the pipe band until the material color is homogeneous. This quantity of 994 gram is considerably less than the amount previously required to clean the entire mixing section. Next, the pipe band is detached again and an already cleaned mixer takes its place. After this short time, the machine is now ready for the next use. But wait, we still have an unclean mixer. How do we get the material out of the mixer? Well, this is actually very simple. By means of a form-fitting stamp, that entire volume of the mixer is now pressed out and discharged. The contaminated mixer elements are also replaced. By this procedure, the amount of waste can be reduced by 78%. The cost of the saved material outweigh the cost of the discarded mixer elements, and so in the end, resources and money are saved. A further and not unimportant effect is that you can use always a 100% clean mixer for every bonding. The mixing quality, i.e. the production quality, is always constant, which cannot be guaranteed with a flushed mixer. So this is the proof how a small change in the production process can save up to 4.5 kg of valuable resources and at the same time increase the quality. Sounds good, but this is not the end of the story. We still have one more addition. What if we don't lose any material when changing barrels during venting? Well, very simple. By the right arrangement of the vending points, it is possible to minimize the amount of material which is normally lost when changing the barrels. Minimize? I mean eliminate, meaning to reduce to almost zero. If we consider that the normal amount which has to be wasted by barrel change is approximately 3 kilo per component, and this in combination with the mixer change above, the result in material savings is about 15 kilo per rotor blade. These simple modifications can be retrofit to many of our machines, and therefore a lot of waste can be avoided over the lifetime of the machine. Protection of the environment and saving resources should be our obligation and goal to leave a better planet for our children. Thank you.